You guys looking for a really nice, affordable townhouse community here in Henderson? Well, in this video, we are going to be previewing the Chicago floor plan by Richmond American, so stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you enjoy watching new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome to Overture at Cadence by Richmond American. Now this is a townhouse community. Now just to give you an idea of where we're located, we're here in Cadence, Henderson, so we're about 30 minutes away from the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Now if you're unfamiliar with Cadence, it's a master plan community, a bunch of amenities. I will show that to you on the screen right now. Now here at this townhouse community, they offer two floor plans, okay? So they offer the Boston and Chicago floor plans, very similar in square feet, so like 1,500. Now the base prices range from, well, they're actually the same, $369, $950. Now what they're doing over here, okay, they're doing all spec homes here. So normally when you see the base price, you could add like your upgrades, lot premiums and stuff like that. Here they're picking out all the options, so they're adding about $30,000 to $39,000 worth of upgrades. Now, the spec homes are going to look just like the model homes when we tour it, okay? As far as the spec homes, the out-the-door price, if the base price is $369, $950, they're gonna range from about high 300s to about like $390 to $410, okay? They have a couple of quick move-ins where they've done price reductions, so, reach out to me if you're interested. Now, as far as the HOA goes, the HOA is going to be $87.50 a month. Now again, that's going to include all the amenities that Cadence has to offer. So it's walking trails, parks, splash pads, all of that. This is an extension of another Richmond American townhouse community that just sold out. So they built out over here and they're going to add about 115 units, okay? But yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the Chicago floor plan. Now the Chicago floor plan is 1,520 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. The base price is $369, $950. Now in this community, they are doing spec homes. So the builders are picking out all the options and they're putting about $30,000 to $39,000 of upgrades. So the out the door price for something like this is going to be around $400 to $410. And that's going to be as of the time I'm shooting this video, which is mid-January. Also told by the builder agent that the spec homes they are doing, they're going to look very similar to the model homes as far as like how much upgrades they're putting in these homes. Okay, so it's going to be really similar to what you see. So let's take a look. Okay, so you have a nice little hangout area right here. Okay. So you got this 8-foot door. You're going to have 9-foot ceilings. Okay, welcome in. Welcome to the Chicago floor plan. So immediately when you walk in, you have the kitchen, living room, and you're gonna have the dining room. Okay, I love that you're gonna have all these windows to the side and you have that large center slider. Now, when walking into a Richmond model home, I can tell you that compared to like KB and DR Horton, I can't really explain it, but you just feel like the quality is much better with Richmond. You know, the difference between like Richmond and DR Horton and KB as well is you're going to get the least amount of square foot per your dollar. So if you're looking for, something with more space, probably DR Horton KB would be a better option. But if you want like more, of the feel, the inside, and you don't care if it's a little bit smaller, but you want nice materials, you want to feel quality, then, Richmond's definitely the builder for you. Okay. So upgraded cabinets, what we're seeing, backsplash, quartz countertop. So the spec homes are going to have pretty much this stuff here, except, it might be different color, like flooring, the same type of like tile flooring. Most likely they're going to use for their spec homes. Okay, so 42-inch cabinets. And then I do know the spec homes, they are including all the appliances. So refrigerator, washer, and dryer, all included in that $400 to $410 out the door price. Okay. So you got the cozy living room right here. Now you're going to have your side yard. So as long as you're underneath here, you're going to have like pavers, the included pavers right here. This is going to be dirt if you move in. So you could either put rocks or you could put like turf. But yeah, in case you were looking to get into like a townhouse, but you wanted some type of yard because you do have a pet, well, I mean, this would work out. You're going to have a little side yard. So right here, you're gonna have the door to your garage, but this is locked. You have your powder room right here. Coat closet. And then you're gonna have more, just a little bit more storage space in here. You have your Honeywell thermostat. So this is what you see when you're walking up. As you can see in this model, they chose to upgrade the stair rails right here. I'm sure there's going to be some spec homes where they upgrade the stair rails right here as well, because they kept this a pony wall. Okay, so we got your primary bedroom right over there. Guest bedroom. You can have your full bath, your laundry room with a stacked washer and dryer, and then your other guest bedroom. This guest bedroom is going to be larger than the other one. Okay, you have 9-foot ceilings. Linen closet. Good. Okay, so welcome to guest bedroom number 1. Again, I love the window placement and the shape. It's nice, it's different. Okay, so we got your standard closet. All right. Now, if you're interested in a new build community such as this, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd be glad to go with you on your very first visit. If you're working with a realtor already, that's okay. At least let them know you're interested in a new build community. Whatever you do, don't go there by yourself on your own and register. When I say register, that means give them your name, your email, and your phone number. Because once they do that, they won't let you have representation down the road. You definitely want representation by an agent because the builder agents have a fiduciary relationship with the builders. But we do for you. So that means, we look after your best interests. We negotiate for you. We hold the builders accountable. And lastly, the builders pay the agent fees. So it's a no-brainer. It's a win-win for you guys. Okay, so you got your shower tub right here. Okay, this is going to be your full bath. Now this bedroom, this is the other guest bedroom. This is probably going to be like a 10 by 11, I'd say. All right, so check out the area. Guys, again, Cadence is work in progress. They are building a whole bunch of homes out here. They have been for like the past close to 10 years now, and they still have so much land left. But Cadence overall, like if you're looking for like a great like master plan community, relatively low monthly cost, and you want those amenities like splash pads, pool, walking trails. Cadence is a great option. Okay. Out of all the master plan communities, Cadence has the most, they're the most affordable as far as like monthly fees. Okay, so this is the primary bedroom. Now you're gonna have your walk-in closet right over here. So it's a spacious walk-in closet. You're also gonna have your attic access right up there. Your smart panel box right in here. Okay, that's how you set up your internet router and your modem. Okay, this is gonna be a king size bed. And it's gonna be your full bath. So you have your walk-in shower. So you have your upgraded tile surround. Now I can't say, can't speak for all the spec homes, but I mean, if you are interested in like this floor plan and you're interested in what upgrades, which quick move-ins are gonna have, like what upgrades and what materials, just let me know. Okay, I guarantee you though that this countertop for the bathroom is gonna be in most spec homes. Right, but that pretty much wraps it up for the Chicago floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you guys have any questions with incentives, reach out to me, guys. If you have, if you're looking for a realtor to help you out with this new build process, reach out to me. But until then, I will catch you guys next video.